Ano na pa? Dito lang ako sa likuran.
Okay, I'm here.
No, you
Halang ka,
think you are in America.
Nay, kana, ay pa ang kanin. Ang magkaon na si nawaog ka ng
Uy!
She wants to do it herself.
Okay, extra. Oh,
Extra, right?
you want to
This one is
one?
hot. It's hot, it's hot.
Want that one?
Ooh,
Alright.
this is so good.
Oh.
Here, baby, this is the best one. Yeah. Barbecue, barbecue.
So, mother, nandito ang sa'yo, mother. Magluto na ako bukas ng ano, mother. Wala ng sabaw.
Oo.
Mag-ano ka na pa. Ay, wala na yung sabaw. Si
Now,
mother.
oys.
Rice.
Ang iyaang ko, Paul.
Ano, paksiw?
Paksiw niya. Sabaw na pwede. Walang ano.
Let me get one.
Nice.
Show the camera first.
Water, baby, it's in the fridge, right?
Water? Yeah.
Tama na.
In the fridge.
It's in a bottle. Or
Patong coke pa o water daan pa kayo. May lisod pa. Kaliho.
Okay. Sabaw ng paksiw.
Masarap, Arya. May coke.
tubig yan. Tubig na ako.
Tubig pa.
Are you want some Coke?
No.
Okay.
Tubig?
So good. Here, the kids playing outside.
Si Mami nandito. Nay,
Ha?
si Mami nandito. Usapin mo lang. Yeah.
Dito, hanggang teater.
Why?
Mhm. Hindi siya maka-reply, pero makita niya ito.
Ah,
Makita niya lahat. 360, makita niya lahat.
oh, kain kami.
Yan. Kain kami, ma'am. No? Barbecue.
Barbecue and
Munggo. Tingin ka lang sa baba, ma'am. Ayan, no? Munggo yan, no? Tapos, iba talaga ang lasa ng Coke na bote. Mas masarap. Kaysa sa... Yung Coke dito ba, mas masarap kaysa doon sa Coke natin doon sa Amerika.
bakit?
Hindi ko nga alam, ah. Mas masarap yung lasa niya. Right ba? Tastes better?
Thank you.
Thank you.
All that white is sour.
Not
Like it's not as hot as the concept.
all the water.
Oh, yeah, can we have the water, baby, for brother?
Salt bothering you? Right now?
Is it better though?
No, na rin siya.
So, masakit ang throat. Ano yan? Nagka-ubo yan siya.
Sino?
Nawa.
Ah, inuubos siya.
Wala pa. Pero masakit ang throat.
Kailangan
Kuha na lang, strepsil. Okay ra na siya.
Yung siba na yung magbigay sa akin. Meron ng ano.
Thank you.
bless you. Di pa ikaw ba?
Let me know what he needs, babe. So we can buy
Want me
it.
to open it?
Nada, kaya na ito pa.
Can I get the water?
Pa-open daw na yung kupa. Nakasakit yung throat, basin ano.
Sabihin mo kay Mami Nay, ano yung ginakain mo dyan, Nay?
Why?
Tapos may sagot na.
Kinakain namin, paksiw, barbecue. Marami.
Munggo.
Monggo.
Your
Makita
mom
na.
makes this good too.
Nakikita niya yan.
Lahat. Lahat makita niya, buong bahay.
Oh,
360 ang camera niya.
pat chicken na to.
Hindi.
Amaris, enough. Enough, ha? That's enough.
She was like, poured it and then she waited and said, a little bit more. A little more.
Uy, tapos na ikaw. Yung ako ng barbecue.
Sino?
You're gonna want some?
Ay, kasi ano eh.
Tastes different here.
Oh, itaklog ko kaloob.
Tapos kakubel.
Okay.
Bukas naman, lauoy at saka barbecue pa rin. Kawain natin.
Lauoy. Do you eat lauoy?
About no.
The vegetables? The vegetables are in it? That's when we had the chicken.
Lauoy. Do you cook?
Oh, I don't cook. He cooks.
Dito, nag-road.
Arya's done already.
Pero hindi pareho pag walang saluyot. Is there something in this?
Oh, right here.
Lalo, no?
Di ba bukas magdating si Eli?
I shouldn't say anything yet. What time or...
Masama kayo sa ano, Paul? Tagingdingan?
Hindi.
Mahirapin pala kaya ako sa ano.
Are
Pamaglabas
you
ko.
guilty, guy?
Pamaglabas ka bukas ng ano pa. Isda kay wala na wala na ang sinanay pa. Wala na kuan. Paksiw.
Oh, wala na.
Wala ka na bukas.
Yan
na
na lang.
Yeah. Luluto ako bukas. Uma na silang duha.
Tapos na. Wala naman silang,
What? Ano
hindi naman sila nakaupo. Nakaupo, natapos na.
Puro kanin lang man yan, ay. Puro kanin lang yan.
Sabaw na.
Sabaw.
Ha, sabaw.
Yan magkain ang ano, Paul.
I have that one too. The one I got from...
Paksiw.
What's that called?
Hindi sabaw na.
Oh, you got laing. You're not supposed to be refrigerated?
I don't think so.
Okay.
We can put it
You
in the
should. You
fridge.
should put it in the refrigerator. then.
It was just sitting on the shelf.
Mag-adobo
That's why I-
tayo bukas, Nay. Oh, meron ba dyan? Kain. Bukas magawa ko, Nay. Paksiw at saka adobo.
Adobo.
Yeah, mother.
Kids love adobo.
Yan. Asan yung giko at Amaris ka ganina pa?
Sa room niya.
Pataas? Oo, pa rin siya nagawas. Ngayon, saka sa area pag-apit.
Tama siya.
Nga sa fourth floor, mayroong room. Anong lugay mo siya nagawas?
Meron pa silang ginawa.
Sa amin yun, ah. Bawal magpasok ang mga, civilian. Puntay ka lang talaga sa labas. Kahit isang beses, lahat ng mga bata, simula elementary hanggang parang hindi ko pa sila nakasundo sa loob ng school. Bawal.
Yung sa amin naman, Hindi pwede maglabas sila kung walang magsundo sa room. Kasi maraming mawawala ba, Paul?
Mm. Sa amin naman, maraming mga hindi mo alam kung anong gawin. So, hindi nila maprotektahan yung mga bata kung maraming mga civilian magpasok.
Yeah.
If we're gonna pick up Arya, we have to show our driver's license. Our ID.
Hanggang office lang.
You have to go to the office and show the ID and they'll bring the kids
Ang
out.
office parating
You
nasa
can't go
harapan
in
ng
now.
school. Bago ka makapasok sa loob ng school, dahil ka pa ng office.
I have to show my
Here, hindi pwede no one will go outside unless you message the teacher or you pitch the student inside the school premises.
Pero para makapasok ka, anong ipakita mo?
Kilala naman nila rin sa guard.
I know, because you're 18 already. But in elementary school, you can't. They have a thing where they scan your face. When you go there, they scan your ID and they take a picture of you. So they know who's taking the kid. And then you can take them.
Kasi marami ng mga bata.
What about when you're getting up?
Yeah.
CCTV.
Lalo na doon sa
Even your school, I have to
Amerika.
show my ID. They
Di ba,
won't
Nay?
let me in. You can go out.
Pinapatay mga
I
bata.
can't go in school.
Hindi man masyado.
They won't let you out.
No, that wasn't
Rape,
me.
tapos patayin pa.
Or nobody knew I was outside. Because I was in PE and we have to walk to the gym by ourselves to get there on the class by the time. And I thought we were outside. I thought we were outside that day. Cause
Dito,
I didn't see
dili,
anyone inside the
dili
gym.
palabas. Unless,
apparently they were
dili
inside the gym,
pwede
I somehow didn't see them.
magkuha ang ibang tao
Napkin.
unless merong message galing sa parents nga siya ang i-authorize.
No, sa amin naman wala. Kung walang nakasulat na emergency contact, hindi mapapalabas. In the beginning of the school year, hindi pwede yung like on the spot lang na. Oh, ito ang ipa.
Go over to the door.
Kailangan nasa ima, hindi talaga pa ano.
Time to open it as well. But I had to go all the way around.
What's that?
I had to keep circling around until I saw someone that was by the door.
Sinuno, what grade are you in?
Grade 9.
You should
Kilala
give them
ba ni-
hot water with salabat maybe.
Will you drink ginger?
It's sweet like a tea.
Or cocoa with the ginger?
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh, marami ngayong nakawala.
Just the ginger I think because the hot cocoa is too sweet.
Lalo na sa Amerika.
Salabat lang.
Maraming nangawala.
Yeah.
Na bata.
Yeah.
Dito, hindi pa.
Marami rin dito na
Pero mas maano dun sa amin.
Kasi
Maraming pedophile.
ang sa Amerika kasi marami yung mga ano ba yun, yung mass shooting yun usually sa school, di ba?
Hindi mo parati yan, bihira yan. Pero marami yung mga pedophile na nagkakuha ng bata. Everyday yan. Meron talaga. Pag nawala ang bata, within 2 hours hindi mahanap, usually patay na.
And then in Arizona, right? They sell them.
Yeah. Trafficking.
They traffic the
Ah.
kids. It's terrible. I hate to think about that. It's so sad. That's why, yeah.